BJP MP Pragya Singh Thakur on Saturday appealed people to recite the Hanuman Chalisa 5 times a day till August 5, which she believes will help the world get rid of coronavirus pandemic. Bhumi Pujan or groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya is to take place on August 5th. Let us all of us together make a spiritual effort to wish people good health and end of the coronavirus epidemic. Recite Hanuman Chalisa 5 times a day at your home from July 25th to August 5th, the MP from Bhopal tweeted. Moving on to the next news, in his interim report to the Election Commission of India, Maharashtra Chief Electoral Officer has given a clean chit to the process of hiring a BJP office bearer's firm by the CEO in the run-up to the 2019 Maharashtra Assembly elections. Congress had sought a detailed inquiry into the matter after it stirred up a political storm in the state. A detailed report was sought from the CEO of Maharashtra by the Election Commission. According to the report accessed by India Today TV, the CEO in his interim report has denied any connection between CEO's office and Devang Dave. He also denied that work was awarded to his firm by the CEO's office or the Director General of Information and Public Relations. Moving on to the next news, Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who confirmed that he had tested positive for coronavirus on Saturday, posted a video on Sunday morning in which he described himself as absolutely fine and requested all those showing symptoms of the coronavirus to get themselves tested, stressing that there is no need to fear. Chauhan uploaded a 75-second video on his Twitter account in which he is seen dressed up in a blue hospital gown and sitting up in a bed in Bhopal's Chirayu Hospital, where he was admitted on Saturday. Moving on to the next news, on Sunday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid his tribute to the soldiers of the Indian Armed Forces who died during the Kargil War more than 2 decades ago when India defeated Pakistan to recapture all posts occupied by the neighboring country. PM Modi tweeted, "On Kargil Vijay Divas, we remember the courage and determination of our armed forces who steadfastly protected our nation in 1999. Their valor continues to inspire generations." Moving on to the next news, an Indian court has summoned Alibaba and its founder Jack Ma in a case in which a former employee in India says he was wrongfully fired after objecting to what he saw as censorship and fake news on company apps, documents seen by Reuters showed. This case comes weeks after India cited security concerns in banning Alibaba's UC News, UC Browser and 57 other Chinese apps after a clash between the two countries' forces on the border.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.